Hello, welcome back. I'm Ron. So the AntiGravity A1 officially launched yesterday, December 4th, 2025, and things got interesting really fast. Not even one day into the debut, several key accessories are already showing out of stock across official AntiGravity site. And I've not seen these items on any other retailer site as well, like B&H. And I'm not talking about optional extras like cute little stickers and fancy carrying cases. No, I mean important stuff you actually need, stuff that will break. Let's go down the list really quick. As of now, multiple A1 accessories are unavailable, including the AntiGravity A1 replacement lens kit. That's $29.99. The AntiGravity Vision corrective lenses, again, $29.99. The grip motion controller, the AntiGravity Vision goggles, and a handful of other items that seem to have vanished into the internet void as well. Now, these aren't, again, luxury add-ons. These are essential parts of the user experience if you're going to fly this drone. The A1 literally relies on its lenses, goggles, and motion controller to do what makes it so unique. So just remember, this is the first generation drone from a brand new drone manufacturer. Yeah, I know they're a spinoff of Insta360, but you get the idea. AntiGravity isn't DJI. They don't have 5 or 10 years of experience stocking parts, manufacturing replacement, supporting repair, or running a global logistic chain. So when essential accessories go out of stock this early, again, one day, a little bit of a red flag, especially for things like replacement lens kits. So let's be perfectly honest. You're going to scratch one of these lenses, you're going to bump one of these things, and eventually you're going to need to replace it. And right now, you just can't buy one. Trust me, every drone pilot says this right before their drone meets a tree branch, the corner of a car door, or a surprise rock on some sort of landing. Again, accidents happen. Even perfect takeoffs end with not so perfect landings. Happens all the time. And with the A1, that means you're one bad landing away from having a $2,000 360-degree drone you can't properly use or repair because the parts just aren't available yet. Now here's the part that concerns me the most. There's zero information online about when any of these accessories will be restocked. No dates, no estimates, no pre-order button, no back in stock soon banner, nothing. So sure, you can try to talk to one of the AntiGravity bots. I tried that, but good luck with it. You're not going to get any information from them either. There is none. Now, that's not great for confidence, especially when the core design of the drone depends on easily damaged parts. Now, if you're considering buying the AntiGravity A1 right now, just go in with open eyes. That's all I'm saying. It may be an exciting, innovative drone, but it also is coming from a brand new company still figuring out supply chains, repairs, and production flows. I said that in a previous video. If you break something, and with a dual 360-degree lens, that's very possible. You might not be able to fly again until that part magically reappears online at some future date. So my advice, just be cautious, just be aware replacement parts aren't available and we don't know when they will be. Consider waiting a bit to see how fast or slow AntiGravity catches up on accessory stock and replacement parts. Because when you're dropping nearly $2,000 on a first generation drone, the last thing you want to do is be grounded because a $29 accessory part isn't available and you can't buy it. And no, I'm not trying to be Mr. The Sky is Falling. I'm simply trying to make you aware and perhaps save you some money until we know replacement parts will be available. Okay, that's it for this one. If I gave you any food for thought, please drop a comment below or leave a like. It's really appreciated and that little gesture goes a long way. Let's be honest, I don't think AntiGravity will be sponsoring any videos on my channel anytime soon. I've kind of been beating them up over the past few videos, and they've only been selling this thing for a single day. Okay, that's it. Have a nice weekend. I will see everyone in the next video. Take care.